Hi, thanks for tuning in. Here we are about to embark on root beer, baby, from 99 brands, which is going to make this 99 proof, 49.5% alcohol by volume. We got it in the one shot. All right, let's crack this open. It smells like root beer. I love root beer. There's something I like to get when I'm on the road or purchase when I'm out and about. It's a good root beer. And no, I don't have a particular brand. I like them all. I do. All right, let's get it. Straight root beer. If I had to pick one flavor, like a brand, mugs. It smells like mugs. It really does. All right, let's do it. No, no. Where did the flavor go? No. Mm-mm. No. Who dropped that baby? Ugh, that's trash. That root beer is like, look, I love flat soda, but this tastes like flat soda and no beer. It tastes like root. It's like really earthy, but the fragrance smells like root beer, but the flavor profile is just this gargle mess of trash juice that's trying to be root beer. It's like the fucking C squad of root beers. No, I don't like it at all. Out of all the damn things I've tried from this brand, why does this one that I was like, I love root beer, you gotta you shit it on my hopes and dreams of believing in your brand. I'm glad I didn't do this one first because like I've been like recording these, right? And thank God this was like down the line. Because if this would have been tried at first, I'd have already been like conditioned to think that all their other flavors were trash. This one is just disappointing. I expected not everything can be a winner in your whole lineup if you don't care. You're like, what do we need to put? Let's make a root beer. I don't think people are liking root beer. Doesn't matter. Put it. They'll have to get it if it's in the variety pack. And then you would kill the womp 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 womp. That's what it tastes like. It tastes like a womp womp. I'm getting out of here. Sorry to waste your time. Don't get this one. This one's ass. Good night.